Dear students, we have completed the 5 topics of physics. Now we are going to start chemistry, part of your science. And the first topic we are going to take here is chemical reaction. Our subtopic will be since we have to study different types of chemical reactions, here our subtopic will be combination and decomposition reactions. See, first of all, what is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a reaction involving breaking of old bonds and making of new bonds. It produces new substance with new properties. And what is a bond? A bond is a force which holds together atoms in a molecule. For example, see here, this is oxygen. Here are two double bonds, covalent bonds between two oxygen atoms. These two bonds held these oxygen atoms together in the form of the oxygen molecule. So bond is a force which holds together atoms in a molecule. On the basis of our syllabus, we have to study here 8 types of chemical reactions. The first two, which are specific objective here, is combination reactions and decomposition reactions. First of all, observe these reactions, please. Zoom these. Carbon reacts with oxygen and forms carbon dioxide. The second reaction here, hydrogen combines with oxygen or hydrogen burns in the oxygen and forms water. Here third reaction, sodium reacts with chlorine and forms sodium chloride. What we see here, two substances here combine and form carbon dioxide single product. Two substances here, hydrogen and oxygen, combine and form single product water. Here two substances, sodium and chlorine, combine and form a compound single product sodium chloride. Such chemical reactions in which two or more substances react together and form single products are called as combination reactions. So, formation of carbon dioxide from carbon and oxygen is a combination reaction. Formation of water by burning hydrogen and oxygen is a combination reaction. Formation of sodium chloride from by the reaction between sodium and chlorine is a combination reaction. So it's a combination reaction, just as the word itself indicates, means the reactions in which different substances combine together and form single products. Most of the chemical reactions are exothermic, that is, they produce heat. Opposite to chemical reactions are the decomposition reactions. Focus here, please. A decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a single substance breaks into two or more products. Take the example of sodium chloride. If we take molten sodium chloride or sodium chloride dissolved in water, means aqueous sodium chloride, and pass current through it, what happens? This sodium chloride breaks into two products, sodium and chlorine. Here we will balance it here. Since sodium is a metal, it will be deposited at cathode, and chlorine is a non-metal, it will be available at anode. It is opposite to, see, this phenomenon is built totally opposite to combination reaction. Here, a single substance breaks down into two or more products. Such chemical reactions or such chemical reaction in which a single substance breaks down into two or more products is called a decomposition reaction. So, decomposition reactions are opposite to combination reactions. Combination reactions involve the combination of two or more reactants and form single products, whereas the decomposition reactions involve the decomposition, degrading, breaking of a single product into two or more single substance into two or more products. On the basis of the energy used for decomposition reactions are of 3 types. Thermal decomposition, here photo decomposition and electrolytic decomposition, or you can say electrolytic decomposition, or you can say electrolysis. Now, what is thermal decomposition? A thermal decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a substance breaks down into two or more products, and the breaking energy used for the decomposition is heat. So the decomposition reaction carried with the help of heat is called as thermal decomposition. Here example is the decomposition of calcium carbonate on heating into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now let's take the photodecomposition. Photodecomposition reaction is a reaction in which decomposition is carried out by light. Here is an example. Silver bromide twice. 2 is the balancing integer here. When light is bounced on silver bromide breaks down. It decomposes into silver and bromine gas. Silver solid and bromine gas. This reaction takes place in photographic cameras and on photographic films. When we expose a photographic film to light, the light breaks the photographic substance, whether it may be silver bromide, it may be silver chloride, or it may be silver iodide, into two or more products. Such chemical reactions in which a single substance is broken down with the help of light into two or more products are called as photodecomposition reactions. Now, electrolytic decomposition, simply the decomposition reaction carried out with the help of the electricity or electric current is called as electrolytic decomposition or electrolysis or electrolytical decomposition. Here is an example. When we take aqueous sodium chloride and pass current through it, the sodium chloride single substance breaks down. Here chemical old bonds break, bonds between sodium and chloride, ionic bonds break, and here two substances are formed. One is sodium metal and another is chlorine gas. For any further queries, please write to me. Thanks.